Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and it's a great pleasure to be able to tell you that my new book, Hybrid Picking Guitar Technique, is available on Amazon now. Please do go and check it out in the link in the description. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Hybrid picking technique is the technique of using both the pick and the fingers in combination to sound the strings. It's a fundamental part of my playing. I've been playing the guitar for the best part of 20 years now, and after I learned about hybrid picking from players like Zach Wilde and Brett Garsed, and I moved into the country sound, guys like Danny Gatton, Albert Lee, hybrid picking was an integral part of the way guys like that played, and so it became something that I wanted to begin working on. And I found that it opened up the guitar for me. It allowed me to treat the guitar a lot more like a piano, to be honest, because you can create sounds where you're plucking multiple notes at the same time rather than strumming notes at the same time. It's a wonderful technique that will open up both sounds and also techniques for you. So for me, one of the huge benefits of hybrid picking is that it helps with my wrist problems. I have wrist problems from all my transcribing. And what I find is lots of wrist motion when I'm playing aggravates my wrist. Whereas with the hybrid picking technique, I can just plant my hand on the guitar. It sits in place and then the pick and the fingers do all of the work. So I'm never really having to move that wrist. Great for anybody that's having troubles with physical playing on the guitar. So what does this book cover? Well, we're going from the ground up. We are focused on beginners moving through intermediate, and we get a little bit advanced towards the end, but there are resources out there for the advanced player. Don't worry about that. Now, we're beginning with single string concepts. Very basic stuff, just using a single finger to pluck a single string. As you move through these exercises and develop your technique, you'll start introducing non-adjacent strings, so skipping strings with the finger. And then when you're comfortable with that, you'll move into the world of playing notes simultaneously, so pinching notes together. And you do this on adjacent strings and with string skips. Now when you're comfortable with that, you can start introducing a second finger. Again, introducing that initially with a harmonic in a harmonic setting, so picking multiple notes at the same time. Great for playing triple stops, wonderful technique, and great for rhythm guitar playing, to be honest. I absolutely love this technique myself. I use it all the time. Then when you're comfortable with that, we can start looking at finger independence between that middle and ring finger. So looking at rolling techniques. Wonderful, great fun. From there, of course, you can start introducing the pinky finger, the treble finger, if you like. And we've got some basic exercises in there, comping patterns for playing rhythm guitar in a kind of jazzy blues setting, or just adding a little bit more piano-like quality to your guitar playing, which is a wonderful thing to get under your fingers. And towards the end of the book, we've got 3 full examples for you to work through. 3 full pieces for you to work through. One is a piece by Bach, not something that you would expect in a hybrid picking text, but a great workout for the hybrid picking technique. Then I've got a blues for you in the style of Josh Smith. And then finally, something really special, I have a full performance of one of Melissa Kelly's songs, Break of the Dawn, and I've brought Melissa in to do vocals on that. So there's a backing track for you in the book featuring vocals with no guitar. So you can start applying some of these comping patterns, some of these techniques to support a singer and really get used to what that feels like. Well worth checking out, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Now, if you have any questions about this, please do let me know in that comment section below. But if not, please do head straight on over to Amazon, grab your copy right now, and I will be back with another book at some point. Hopefully not as long a gap between this one and the next one as there was with the last one. Thanks so much, guys, and I will see you for another video soon. Goodbye.